Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Unfortunately, a bit of a boring price action today, but you know, that's exactly what we want to see, yeah, after such a rally that we had last week, because it means, you know, price isn't directly selling off. It's sort of consolidating. It's holding that price. It's consolidating just below resistance. We have a little bit of resistance here at 1930. It's actually quite substantial. Resistance, it was around the 1.618 extension of the wave 1, the Fibonacci extension, and here structural resistance. You have various points where the 1930 level was touched but not broken. So that's exactly where we are now as well. So breaking it would have, 1930, 1925, that sort of level, that range. And when broken, that would have certainly some bullish implications. And I wouldn't be surprised to see price after breaking it to the upside in the low $2,000 region. At the moment, my assumption is that off this wave low, which was made on the 15th of June, when the wave 2 found and formed the local low, that we rallied in a wave 1, off wave 1, off again wave 3. Yeah, talked about that in previous videos. So this is a first wave in an uptrend again, then a wave 2 correction, and we had a wave 3 to the upside. We are now in a wave 4, possibly still. That could be an Elliott Wave triangle, for example. We always need to be careful not to draw triangles too early, because it often is an ABC structure instead. Yeah, but this could certainly be an A wave, a B wave, which is overshooting, which happens in triangles. You can get a so-called running triangle. Then a C wave to the downside, a D wave to the upside made a lower high. And if we now get a higher low in an E wave, we could get a signal for a breakout, okay? There are just a few possibilities how this can unfold. I find the triangle option actually quite likely, but we'll see. Breakout point to the upside would be the B wave high at 1936. So a break above it would lead to a breakout in the fifth wave. If it's a triangle, price should not break below 1865 again. If it does, then we deal with rather just sort of common, probably rather a WXY correction the way it looks. They're just different ways how this could now unfold, but this is really like the micro level. That's why I tried to keep it simple at the moment. We said the following: as long as the 1818 level is holding, we can get one more high in a fifth wave of wave 1. Yeah, and maybe into the $2,000 region. However, a break below 1818 would indicate that we're already in the wave 2 pullback, that we already completed this larger wave 1, and that the Friday high was the wave 5 of wave 1. Okay, and then that is the assumption I will make if 1818 breaks to the downside and we're coming down into this yellow support region. So this is sort of the situation we deal with at the moment. I see it as largely bullish structure here at the moment. We are consolidating on a pretty high level. And I explained to you in, I think it was the last video or the video before, that this is now the bullish range of the last high, which was made on Friday, 1930 pretty much, all the way down to 1694. This is the bullish range, and 1694 is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the move to the upside. And a sustained break below it would indicate that we are in something more bearish. Okay, so we have very short-term support at 1818, and then short-term, I would still call it short-term support at 1694. And there is not much more to add. So ideally at the moment, again, as long as we're holding 1818, I would focus on higher in one more wave up. But it could be that this fourth wave is still in the making. Again, that is the uncertainty we deal with, especially in a correction. There are many ways how I could count this. Always emphasize that I don't want to label a triangle too early, but this looks a bit like an Elliott Wave triangle. Yeah, especially if we make one more higher low, and then we could get a breakout to the upside. If it comes down, we have support at 1845 and 1818. All right, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.